pocketbook is empty and my heart is full of
Halloween lantern. For this you will need, depending on where you live, a turnip, a Swedish turnip, a Swede or rutabaga. You will not need a pumpkin. You will also need a spoon, a pointy thing, a tea light, a pastry cutter for the eyes, a pointy thing for making the pattern, a knife for making the pattern, a string, and a very sharp knife, very sharp, sharpest you can get. First cut the base to make it level. Choose a dark side and mark out a nose. Oh. Eyes. And a horrible mouth. It's best if you have artistic talent. Which lets me out. Now write a scary message on the head, which will be secrets. Now you want to make some holes for where the strings are going to be. Around here. The other side. I found a bread knife is better cutting than even the sharpest knife. See? Removing the inside is usually very difficult unless you know the secret, and that secret is steam it for 10 minutes, no longer. Now it should be much easier to remove the insides with a spoon. easier, not easy. Several days later, when you've dug the middle out, and I made a chimney in the top, thread the string through the sides, so. Finally, check that the candle doesn't go out when you put the lid on, because it does sometimes. Candle seems okay.
My pocketbook is empty and my heart is full of pain. I'm 1,000 miles away from home, just waiting for a train.